Hi, my name is Anderson Rodriguez. We're going to be briefly discussing a portion of my data about spanking and corporal punishment. The following is an assessment of the responses given to the Tuskegee student body about their opinions on spanking and corporal punishment. What I did was send out a survey regarding spanking and corporal punishment to a variety of group chats. The goal was 100 participants, but we only received 60. Corporal punishment is the intentional infliction of pain on the body for the purpose of punishment. This includes spanking, slapping, punching, hitting with objects, pinching, and forcing to stand for long periods of time. The data presented here is specifically dealing with whether students who have had trouble with police also thought that corporal punishment was the best method of discipline. As we look at the variables, many psychologists believe corporal punishment may encourage the desired behavior, but creates aggression and antisocial behavior. And that's because physical pain doesn't teach right from wrong. In this bivariate analysis with police involvement, we're going to see whether those who believe corporal punishment is the best method of discipline also comes in contact with the police more often. In figure 1, we see that majority of the students do not believe that corporal punishment is the best method of discipline. However, the graph shows us that majority of those who believe that corporal punishment is the best method of discipline also came into trouble with the police. Luckily, most students at the campus did not have problem with the police. In conclusion, overall, corporal punishment is deemed effective in getting the desired behavior immediately. However, it renders aggression and antisocial behavior later on in the child's development. This also leads to a resistance to authority, whether emotionally or physically. I believe that with further research, there can be a change in the dynamics of Black family home structures and disciplinary structures, which may lead to different interactions with adolescents and police. Uh, I'm referencing myself and also a journal report from the NCBI on spanking and corporal punishment. And that is all. Thank you.